Every time I solder, it goes something like this. I pick up my iron and I begin soldering. Now the problem is, well, it looks good until you flip it over, just like this, and you see how the component isn't even placed correctly. So I realized I could just 3D print something instead of buying like something. So that's what I did. I went on MakerWorld and I searched up some things. And here is the first one. Here's a TS101 holder. I'm not using the correct like sponge thing, whatever it's called. Here it is. And yeah, it could just do that originally, just sit, but that looks ugly. So I printed this. It's on MakerWorld if you want to get it. And yeah, but it has fallen before. And clearly my cutting board has dealt with the damage because of it. But yeah, I guess I have to use it anyway. Here's the second one. It's a 3D print that you can bend objects like TFT ones like this resistor I'm going to do here. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but I made it work anyway. Basically why this is useful is because if you don't have one, you have to bend it yourself and it doesn't always go in correctly, and my PCBs have suffered because of it. Here's one when I tried to do it without it. So yeah, so here's the third one. But here is a wire solderer, because originally you have to solder wires, and yeah, soldering them is hard without one of these. So this is also 3D printed, obviously, but like here's me soldering it. And after I put on heat shrink, it's brand new, just like a new wire. So yeah. And here's the best one. It's like a fixture, and it's for PCBs, it's for holding PCBs. It's very good at holding them. It's very tight, but I will say that don't try to bend the middle part, because it has broken for me before. The white parts on this are PLA, and the blue parts are ABS. I decided to make the blue parts ABS because if they weren't ABS, they might be melting because of my soldering iron. So you can just solder just like this. Just let me get it. Just like that. You can solder just like that. It's much easier than doing on a table. So this fixes the first problem. So now that you've seen all the models that I've printed, by the way, all of them are in the link in the description. And if you enjoyed today's video, consider clicking the subscribe and like button. I also have a Discord that you can join, which will also be in the description. I also have version 3 of my app. It's also in the description, link to my GitHub, completely free and open source, by the way. So, yep. Thanks for watching, guys.